Usually wherever we go, we just make a short video.
Go right ahead, because that's what it's for. Look at those Boston ferns. Where you guys from?
We live in Mississippi.
Okay. See, everybody pays for those. Look how free they grow.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Yeah, it is. And they are a Boston fern there. And they taste big when they hang on the porches.
Oh yeah, I see people doing that.
Yeah.
Here's the start of the Juniper Run. Alright, so we're off again. And they said to look out for alligators. A lot of alligators. A big white snowy owl. And a bunch of snakes. I don't know if you guys can see everything that we're up to right now. So we're going over this center part log. And maybe it wasn't such the best idea, but I'm gonna let you guys see what I'm seeing. Now we're stuck. Awesome. There we go. We're broken free. Sweet. And we're back in a deeper part of the river. Yay, we finally got sunshine. Out into the open a little. Hold on. Huh? Hold on. What do you? No, I need you not to push that way. Hold on.
I'm telling you.
Okay, there he is. There's the second one. Here, let's get a little closer. What?
Can we back up so he comes back?
Okay. Here, let's get ourselves facing this way. Alright. Alright. Now back up. Yeah. There. Here, back up on the other side. On the other side. Oh. He's looking at me. Oh. Go forward, please. Now he's coming after us. Yep. Look. Time to go. There's another turtle. We're gonna try and grab him. Yeah. Okay, let's get up beside him. I hope you guys can see him. Yeah, come towards him. Okay, just reach out and grab his sides.
Are you being serious?
Yes, I'm being serious. Just grab. Allie, grab the big guy. Why not? I'll get him. Here. Hold on.
I'll put him on my paddle and throw him at you.
Yeah, that's what I want. You just threw a turtle boy at me. Hold on. Wow, this is difficult. I think we're going across the stream. Look at that.
Boy, he had trouble getting off that long.
Alright, there's a giant turtle right behind us. Alright.
You just went.
I don't know if you guys can see him. He's right there. He's giant. All right, so we're about to hit the rapids here. The only section of the Juniper Run that is rapids. Wow. Okay, here we go. So we got to really be paddling. I'm going to be calling out sides and just get ready. I hope you guys enjoy this. Oh wow, I need to get my shit together. Hold on. Oh wow. All right, let's ride it out. Here we go. Hope you guys enjoy this. All right, get it on the other side. Get on the other side. There you go. Oh wow. That was it? No, that was it. Hold on. I'm glad I got that on tape. A tiny little turtle got Allie. A tiny little turtle got Allie. All right, so we're near the end. We've made it to the bridge. You can see the schools of fish. This is going into Lake George. So they told us at the ranger office that once we hit the bridge, we were to go to the right side here in Juniper Run and not to go any further because then we'd be in Lake George and they wouldn't be able to pick us up or find us. So this is it. This is pretty much end of the road for us, but now we gotta look for the spot where we pull our boat up. We're under the bridge right now. Okay, there's Allie sees the dock, so I think this is it. This is it, so let you guys get one last view. There's Lake George down that way, which we're not going to. We need to turn here. Allie, we need to turn out of here. Okay. All right.